Good morning, family. It's your girl Tina here from TLC in the Garden. Welcome in. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you're notified for all of my videos. Just a little bit of what's been growing on here in Cleveland, Ohio, Zone 6B. As you will see, I'm no longer on the balcony. I'm at my childhood home now and transforming the yard and everything. So everything will still be in containers. We're still a small garden, still in containers. I still have to pack the balcony garden up and bring it over here to the house. That's going to be a process. The whole thing is a process. Just trying to get everything here, go through everything, deal with everything. For those of you that might not know, I lost my mom the end of last year. So now I'm in the process of moving back to my childhood home. Didn't plan on being here this soon. Originally, the plan was for me to be here within the next year or two to help her out with things as she was getting older and had health issues she was working with. But it didn't work out that way, so now I'm still between the apartment, growing very limited there, and bringing everything over here. Almost everything is outside. I've still got a lot of seedlings left to get out. Right now I'm out of buckets, so everything is going into grow bags. So I still have some stuff that I need to get out in the 18-gallon totes and laundry tubs. Sweet potatoes still need to be planted. I'll try to work on that later today or tomorrow. Everything is dry right now, so I've got to water. That presents its own challenges as I need to have a plumber come in and work on the pipes because we discovered the pipe leading to the hole for the hose outside and faucet has a leak. So right now we're just watering by buckets. We haven't had rain in a little over 3 weeks. So my water barrel has nothing. We're supposed to get rain starting late tonight, tomorrow, most of next week. So hopefully the rain bucket will be filled, which will make my life a lot easier. And if not, well, we still got the buckets and we'll just keep doing like we've been doing so far till I can get a plumber here to fix the pipe. And also lower the pipe because I am fun-sized. I'm 5'2½". I cannot reach the hookup the way it is right now. So we'll get to that once we get the plumber here and get everything else done. In here, I've still got sweet potatoes. I've got purple sage, stevia, lemon balm, more Tulsi basil, more mullein, a mortgage lifter, I think a Paul Robeson or either a chocolate cherry, a white patty pan, some more sweet peppers that need to go out. I've still got the French Petite micro dwarfs. I've got 2 of those so far that need to go out. I still need to finish dropping seeds. I need to drop all my Royal Burgundy beans still. Hopefully we can get that done this weekend. I still need to drop seeds for my marigolds, my nasturtiums, my calendula. Everything is just taking the sweet time around here. If it gets done, it gets done this year. This year the garden basically is going to be a mess because it's a lot going on, a lot of moving parts. So let's go on outside and see what's growing on out there. Okay, over here we've got Cherokee purple with onions. We've got a red pepper with onions. Everything here should have onions or basil growing with it for pest pressure. That is a Paul Robeson. That's another Paul Robeson. We've got flowers on that red pepper. It's a yellow patty pan squash. It's a white patty pan that just germinated in the house that needs to come out. This is Cherokee purple. Jalapeno. That's the elderberry that I showed that I got from Lead Farmer back in December. This is another chocolate cherry. 2 broccoli. Yukon Gold potatoes. Raspberry. No, that's blueberry. This one is the raspberry. And this is a blueberry with blueberries on it. This is a chocolate cherry, Swiss chard, a purple beauty pepper, a mortgage lifter tomato with basil and onions for pest pressure. This is a chocolate cherry, my stevia, and my paprika pepper. I've still got more stuff to bring out. I'm out of buckets. I still have grow bags left. I haven't packed up the balcony garden at all and brought it over. So I still need to do that. And finish with the backyard. We're in the process of pulling down trees in the yard. None of these trees existed in the yard when I grew up here. So we're cutting all of the trees down. And branches off of the trees and the lots that are shading out the back. Eventually, I want to buy this lot here. It's 2 lots over here. I want to buy either one or both and put in a fruit orchard. I'm not doing trees yet this year because we just got to get this yard together. I've still got a lot of stuff to bring out and plant. I've got more seeds still to drop. It's a time-consuming and challenging process because I'm also still going through the house, which encompassed 3 households and 50 years worth of memories. And that's taking a bit of time to do as well. I still have the apartment to finish packing. I've got to disassemble the balcony garden and bring it over. And everything is just taking time. And that's about all that's growing on here right now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye, family.